So guys, we're in IKEA and look at what we found for your phone stand. I like this one because it's got like a key ring. We're off to go and eat and then we'll come back and we'll get that. So that's a good deal. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sasha. If you're a regular watcher, thank you for stopping by again. So today we're in IKEA to see if there's any bargains. So come along with us. So my love, what are we having today then?
Something you've never had before.
Yeah, meatballs. Wow, who would ever believe Sweden sells meatballs? Anyway, how much were they? 79 kronas for the large one. Yeah, 79. No, that's 65 for
65
the small one. So 65 kronas, which is like £5 according to Frederick, and then these two was 2 for 25 kronas, isn't it? So that's a new one. Have we ever seen that? There, the addition. But the sauce is not the lost though. The sauce is really good.
And the meatballs are good.
Let me try the meatballs. Smells very like beefy, like proper beef, like nice thingy. And it's not salty. It's really good. Very like what they call it. Very soft. Isn't there a lot of sauce, people? And this coming from me that I'm not really into my sauce, but look, there's barely anything here. Is that normal though? I'm sure you can go back and ask for more sauce though.
Not going to up there. What do you think of your garlic baguette?
I've not had it yet.
One of them is finished.
It's really good. Just the sauce, guys, is non-existent. To be honest, without the lingonberry itself, this thing, then it would have been really bland. Because you need that little bit of sauce, and this is just water, which is a letdown though, to be honest. Because I was expecting a lot more. So I won't give it 10 out of 10 today.
But the mash is nice.
The mash is really nice, yeah. And this me that hate mash as well. Guys, I'm not a fan of mash.
The problem we have now is that, based on previous experience, when my wife eats mashed potatoes, she can afford to sleep in one of the beds in here.
But babe, is it normal for them to give you mash? I thought it's boiled potatoes they normally give.
Rice is easy for them.
I definitely need that stand, because if I'd had it now, it would be in my kitchen, right? That's a really good idea. There's this new thing we saw in the entrance. It's like a phone stand holder thing, but it's in a kitchen, which is really good. I don't think the bread was necessary though.
It was really tasty.
Is it? So this is like garlic bread. Okay, let me try the garlic bread. Yeah, nice and crunchy on the outside.
Soft
Oh
and
my god,
garlicky on the
yeah.
inside.
There is somewhere else, and I don't keep mentioning the place. This thing, you can use it as you can use it to whack someone's head. But it's really good.
I thought you were going to complain about this one.
It's just the top of it that is nice and crispy, and then the inside is like really, really
There is
gooey.
some in the bottom of it.
Yeah, no, got mashed up. It's really good. And then let me try my drink. Is this not Lindbergz? Oh my god, is it not the one that gives me bellyache?
No.
Oh yeah, the bread is really nice. I'll just go and help myself to one of their empty beds here. They won't even know it's me. They'll think it's a mannequin. They won't know it's a human being. If I lay there and have a nap, they'll hear my... I was going to say they'll hear me snoring. But when I start snoring, they'll wake me up. Guys, I don't snore, you know. It's my nose. I've got blocked nose. Oh, Frederick has finished his.
I'm not a really slow eater.
You very slow. You. Frederick eats like thunder lightning.
And they use the steam ovens here.
The garlic thing is really nice.
No.
I wasn't going to give it to you. I was just tempting you. There's this thing he used in cleaning the table. I hope he doesn't use it for the floor as well. You know that my magic sweeper? He just cleaned the table with it. I hope it's not for floor as well. Why don't you use it on the floor and then use it on the table? Yeah.
Don't forget to have more meatballs.
Yeah, you can imagine, look, I've still got plenty food here and not enough sauce. I will give it 9, to be honest. It was really tasty. Why 7.5 though?
Because there wasn't enough peas.
Peas? No, to me that was perfect. Mine is just there was not enough sauce. That's it.
I had more sauce than you.
Yeah, and the sauce was a bit watery, but the meatballs was really, really good. The garlic bread was amazing. The lingonberry was lingonberry. The drink was okay. The mash was really good as well.
For those who want, you can buy the meatballs and the lingonberry and the sauce and the mash actually.
Where?
In the shop in IKEA.
Downstairs. Oh, so you can actually get them and the mash as well. Already made mash.
Exactly.
I think this brown is now on trend because there's quite a lot of them here. Quite a lot of them. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really does make a huge difference to the channel. And we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.